Good evening. Every January 24th is celebrated as National Girl Child Day. What is the significance of this particular day, in fact? This is the day on which we try to create awareness among the people with respect to the significance and for the purpose of protecting our girl children in India. If you look at our census, compared to 2001, in 2011, the child sex ratio has been declined. So, this is really alarming. If a country wants to become a developed nation, there should be a very low gender gap, meaning the gender gap has to be as near as possible, and the government must try to bridge this gap. That is possible only when we care and give protection to the girl children. And in the memory of that one, we have started celebrating January 24th as National Girl Child Day. And of course, you must be remembering this one. In the year 2015, on January 22nd, the Prime Minister of India has launched a program. And that program is Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. It shows the significance of taking care of the girl children in India. Girl children, traditionally, they were neglected, they were not protected properly, and this is the time that as the world is advancing, as India is also advancing, every girl child has to be protected, and that should lead to empowerment of women. Fine. Regarding this, I have information, and I would like to show you this information. Kindly have a look at this. Look at the question. National Girl Child Day is celebrated on. Just now I told you, and the answer is 24th of January every year. Right? So now I would like to show you some points that are related to the National Girl Child Day. Look at this. The government in the year 2008 declared January 24th to be celebrated as the National Girl Child Day. What is the objective? And the objective is of raising the consciousness of the society towards the girl child so that she can be valued and respected. Very important one. So this is the most important aspect of the nation now. Alright. So every girl child has to be valued and respected. Clear? This is the basic objective of celebrating National Girl Child Day. Look at this. So this is celebrated every year on 24th January. Fine. Now, so I have some more information, and I am going to share that information with you. Kindly have a look at this. National Girl Child Day 2021 is being celebrated across the country with the objective of raising awareness on the issue of declining child sex ratio. I told you already. So the child sex ratio is declining, and the situation is alarming. I told you already. Compared to the year 2001 census, for the year 2011, there is a drastic decline as far as the child sex ratio is concerned. It has to be taken very seriously, and the government is going ahead, and the government is also marking the anniversary of a scheme called Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Very important one. And kindly remember, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao scheme was launched by the Prime Minister in Haryana on January 22nd, 2015. Please remember these points. Now I will be moving ahead. One more important point for you. Look at this. International Day of the Girl Child is observed every year across the world on October 11th. Right? As far as India is concerned, our National Girl Child Day is celebrated on January 24th. But at the international level, International Day of the Girl Child is observed every year on October 11th. So we'll be going ahead and I'll be showing you some more points. Another important one is the Ratley Hydro Power Project. Please remember all these points, these are very important. I told you in the earlier classes also, many times I told you that whenever you are coming across with any hydropower project, a wind power project, nuclear power project, or solar power project, that will be important for the examination. Because so these energy projects are very important for the nation, and India is striving its best to achieve its goals with respect to energy is concerned. And if you look at the question once again, Ratley hydropower project is located in Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat or Jammu and Kashmir. Please remember, answer is option D, that is Jammu and Kashmir. Very, very, very important one. Look at this. The government of India has approved the Ratley hydropower project. Look at the capacity, 850 megawatts. And this is an investment of 5,281.91 crores. And the project is situated over the river Chenab. Very important one. So this particular project is being developed over the river Chenab. Very important one. And the most important thing is that, so where is it located, in which state? Answer is Jammu and Kashmir, and across which river? And the answer is river